Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video if you try to find fuses relays for the parking assist, also known as the parking sensor on GMC Sierra generation 2014 to year 2018. We'll talk about some differences between the 2018 model and the other ones as well. They changed a few things, and in addition, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. For the parking assist, also known as parking sensors, will work in two different fuse boxes that are hidden. Guys, we recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel. It can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. It's known as GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it will teach you about all your hidden fuse boxes and show you where they're located. First we need to open the driver door. Here on the side of the dash, you see once you open the door, you'll be able to access that cover. It's removable. Once you pull it out, behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit guys, what we have here specifically. We need to check now one fuse in that fuse box and we need to go to a different one and check some more as well. Now, depending on whether you have that option or not, if you have that option, you're going to have, guys, one fuse that will be known as fuse number 29. If you don't have that option, you're not going to have that fuse, right? But check that fuse right here, and you need to check that fuse there as well. Now, guys, something else here as well. We need to come, okay, on the passenger side, open the door, you have exactly the same thing, you have that cover here pried open, and here guys, okay, you have that fuse box layout. Specifically guys, here for the parking assist we need to check fuse number 27. Now some will have just that fuse, okay, and we're talking about this double micro 3-blade fuse. Those are super hard to find. Keep a spare one always in your glove box for peace of mind, because those fuses are hard to find. Those are the main fuses, but 2017 and 18 fuse boxes may look a little bit different, so always be sure to watch the video until the end. We'll show for both models so you know what to expect. You don't have a relay, you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.